Whether you're new to cryptocurrency trading or you're an expert just looking for a new way to make money, I have an extremely easy to follow strategy for you that includes both your entrants and your exits that would have already earned you over 50% profit in 2023 trading just a single cryptocurrency. All it requires is 3 simple tools: the TC top and bottom finder, price versus well money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. In this video, I'll also show you how to maximize your profits using compound investing. Within the same amount of trades that I'll show you, you can make over 50% profit as opposed to only 44%. Let me show you how to do it. It's super easy. What you're seeing right now is a series of 11 different yellow lines. Each one represents a possible entry into the market. All of these entries comply with 3 simple rules. On top of this, you'll see little price range tools in blue here. Each one you'll see is just over 4% profit. What this is meant to show is each of these trades reaches 4% profit, because that's exactly where we're exiting. More on that later. Let me show you how this works. Before we get into specifics, I do want to let you know you can get access to all of these indicators for up to $450 off. They are required for the strategy. Links for them are in the description below, and the sale ends tomorrow, May 12th. Do not miss out. This is only a limited time sale. After that, the price bumps back up. So if you want to get access, links are in the description down below. I'll show you exactly how to get access later, but let's talk about what you're here for. Let's see how to make those profits. Now, as I said in the introduction, each trade needs to follow 3 simple rules. The first rule is the price versus well money flow needs to be low relative to previous highs on the indicator. Now, this indicator is going to track whale money in the market. If it's moving down, it means whales are selling, and if it's low, it actually means that whales have oversold and are likely to begin buying back in the market. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and that is why we always try to trade with the whales. This is why we use the price versus well money flow indicator, and why this indicator is so important. So rule number 1, price versus well money flow needs to be low. Next, you're going to look at the trend exhaustion. This is going to tell you whether or not a trend, exactly as it says, is exhausted. If it goes from a high point and moves to a low point, this means it is a downtrend. And if it hits the bottom area, it means the downtrend is exhausted and likely to begin moving back up as bulls take over. Most likely, anytime we see the trend exhaustion fall into its bottom red sections, it is going to move up, but we always need to confirm with what whale money is doing. So rule number 1, as I said, price versus well money flow needs to be low. Rule number 2, trend exhaustion needs to be low. And we have both of those rules so far. Right here, price versus well money flow low and trend exhaustion low. Next thing, all we need to see after that is a buy signal or a strong buy signal, as we see back here. If we get a combination of all 3 of these, 1, price versus well money flow low, 2, trend exhaustion low, and 3, a buy or strong buy signal, this is the instance that we're trading. If the market does not comply with any of these 3 rules, it becomes a much higher risk trade, and this is why we always look for all 3 in the market. Risky traders will sometimes look for areas where the price versus well money flow is low and trend exhaustion is low, even if we don't get a buy signal. Other riskier traders will look for buy signals without either of these complying, and there are times where these trades will work out. But if you're a beginner trader, it's ideal to look for all 3. Once you do that, you enter your trade at that point. So that's your entry plan. Now for your exit plan, all you need to do is set a sell limit for 4% take profit. So when you enter a trade, you got to find the price that you enter in. These signals, the buy signals and sell signals, all of those post on candle close. So we're going to take the price at the absolute top of this candle, 5.659, and then all we're going to do is multiply it by 1.04. This multiplies it by 4%. This price right here, 5.88 cents, is the area that we're going to take profit. Just put that number, make it a sell limit in your exchange, and as soon as you hit that take profit, that is where it's going to exit. It'll exit automatically. You don't even have to watch the trade. This is a super hands-off strategy, and this is why we like to recommend beginner traders try it out. Now, of course, a lot of the time you'll see just crazy moves up. However, most often it will be safer to just take an easy 4% profit and then set up for the next trade. Here we saw price versus well money flow low. Trend exhaustion wasn't as low as I like. Buy signal there, but that could have been a good entry for the next move. However, it did not comply with all 3 rules, and because of that reason, I did not include this. However, if we scroll out here, there were 11 different instances of possible trades with this strategy. 11 times here, Again, as indicated by these yellow lines, 11 times here in 2023 so far, this has happened. We got the price versus while money flow low, we got the trend exhaustion low, and we got a buy signal. It happens multiple times over and over again, especially on the 4-hour time frame. You'll find it happening quite a bit. Now, I'm not going to go over all 11 trades here. You can see just based on this chart, you can take a screenshot and zoom in if you want, but all of these will have price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, and either a buy or price versus while money flow low, trend exhaustion low, and a strong buy signal. Either way, it is a great possible entrance. Now, I'm going to take you over to an Excel sheet here, and we are going to do some math. Apologies for the crazy bright screen. Let's say you initially invested $10,000 in your trade, and with each trade, we're going to be looking for a 4% profit. Now, if you invested $10,000 in each trade, you just did 10,000, boom, get your 4% profit, earn your $400, take that $400 and put it somewhere else, maybe buy something, who knows. And then you just enter $10,000 again into your next trade. Each trade, all 11, is $10,000 investment, and each trade that you win gets $400 won. After 11 trades, you will have earned $4,400 from your initial $10,000 investment. This is a crazy amount of money. Congratulations to anyone that's able to do that. That is 44% profit on your money. However, there is an even more profitable way to do this. Instead of only investing your initial $10,000 per trade, what you could try doing is after you invest your $10,000 and you make your 4% profit, take that whole amount and reinvest it into the next trade. This would mean rather than investing $10,000, you're now investing $10,400. Keep doing this, and what this is going to do is each time you invest with a larger amount of money, you'll make more money on the next trade, and this compounds like crazy. With this strategy, within the same amount of trades, you would have earned $5,394 or 53.95% profit as opposed to 44% profit. This is almost exactly 10% more profit, and that is nothing to sneeze at, guys. That is a crazy amount of extra profit you can get just by using a compounding strategy rather than non-compounding investments. So if you invest initially $10,000, just wait for the price versus while money flow to be low, trend exhaustion to be low, and you wait for a buy signal or a strong buy signal. Wait for the price to move up, take your 4% profit, and invest that new total again into the next trade, and just keep doing that. Boom, new trade, new trade, new trade. Your profits will just gradually increase and increase and increase, and eventually you will be making absolutely crazy, insane money. This is the power of compound investing in combination with the TC top and bottom finder, price versus while money flow, and trend exhaustion indicators. Now, before I show you how you can actually get access to these indicators, I want to let you know these indicators, and no indicator on this planet is 100% accurate. There will be times where these indicators will make a miscall, where the price will move up even if whale money is moving down, or if the trend exhaustion is down, it is possible that the price can continue downwards still too. Not every buy signal will be perfect. However, we have found that in combination, these indicators are over 80% accurate in their trades. This is absolutely insane for anyone that's experienced in the crypto market. 80% accuracy or above is absolutely insane. In fact, we got a testimony saying that they have had an 88% success rate. Almost 90% is absolutely insane when trading something as volatile as cryptocurrency. This person started trading on October 3rd of 2022, and it has been outstanding ever since. They're up almost $9,000 using just the TC top and bottom finder, and their individual account is over 39%. They've made 50 trades with an incredible 88% success rate. Now, I told you in the beginning of the video, you can get all three for up to $450 off right now. This sale is only lasting until the end of the day, 5 p.m. Pacific time tomorrow on May 12th. Do not miss out on this. If you want to get access to these indicators and try this strategy yourself, you can grab the indicators at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our spring sale page. The spring sale is ending soon with $450 off all indicators. Again, you have until tomorrow, May 12th. In order to get the best possible deal on all of these indicators, you're going to want to grab the bundle pack first using code SPRING50. This will include the trend exhaustion, price versus while money flow, and several other indicators for you to try out, and a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. To get the best deal, just click on the indicator bundle pack checkout link, click I want this, enter code SPRING50, click apply, enter all of your information here, click pay, and it'll offer you the TC top and bottom finder for just $349 as opposed to the regular $749. This is a massive $400 off discount offer. Just click add to cart, and it'll give you that full $450 off. Make sure your information is entered correctly, click pay, and with that, you will be the proud owner of all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators at a massive $450 discount. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.